Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at something super exciting, the top 5 best FPV drones of 2025. Now, FPV drones aren't just toys anymore, they're powerful tools for creators, adventurers, and even professionals in industries like filmmaking and real estate. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 FPV drones you should consider this year. We'll talk about their features, camera quality, flight performance, pros and cons, and by the end, I'll help you decide which drone is the perfect fit for you. So grab your gear, because we're taking off. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. Emax Official Babyhawk Air Unit. The Babyhawk is a compact inch quadcopter designed specifically for FPV racing and freestyle. Out of the box, you'll notice it is lightweight but very durable, built with a carbon fiber frame to survive those inevitable crashes. It comes with the GeoAir unit, one of the best video systems for FPV. You get 4K recording with low latency transmission, which means you can race or freestyle without any lag. The video is sharp, smooth, and immersive. Because it is so small, it is extremely agile, perfect for weaving through tight spaces or performing tricks. It is like flying a sports car in the sky. However, being small also means flight time is limited to around minutes depending on your battery setup. This drone is not for absolute beginners, it is made for FPV pilots who want freestyle performance. If you're into racing or cinematic FPV shots, it is a fantastic option. Pros: compact and lightweight. GeoAir unit with 4K video. Extremely agile. Built for FPV freestyle and racing. Compared to something like the A Pro Max we'll talk about later, the Babyhawk isn't about long flights, it is about fun, skill, and raw FPV power. Number 2. VMAX Mini DPS Drone. The VMAX is a mini FPV drone that still packs professional features. It folds down for easy transport, making it ideal for travelers. It features an 8K camera, which gives incredibly detailed photos and videos. For creators who want high-resolution shots without carrying bulky gear, this drone really shines. One of the standout features is obstacle avoidance, which makes it beginner-friendly. The GPS system ensures stable hovering and return to home if you lose connection. Because it is lightweight, it is not built for strong winds, but in normal conditions, it is stable and smooth. Expect around minutes of flight time. Perfect for beginners and casual flyers who still want pro-level footage without worrying too much about crashes. Pros: 8K camera quality. GPS with return to home. Obstacle avoidance sensors. Foldable and portable. Compared to the Babyhawk, this drone is safer and easier to fly but less thrilling. It is designed for creators, not racers. Number 3. SX Max GPS Drone. The SX Max is a professional-grade GPS drone with a larger, more solid build compared to the V. It comes with foldable arms, making it portable yet powerful. You get a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal. That is huge because the gimbal provides buttery smooth footage, even in windy conditions. Paired with 5G digital image transmission, you can control and stream footage up to 5 kilometers away. Flying this drone feels professional. It is stable, responsive, and handles well even in tougher conditions. With around 25 minutes of flight time, it is ideal for long sessions. This drone is perfect for content creators, vloggers, or professionals who want cinematic quality aerial footage without breaking the bank. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage. 5 km transmission range. Reliable GPS stability. Long flight time. Compared to the V, this drone gives you cinematic video quality thanks to the gimbal. It is heavier and less portable, but far more powerful. Number 4. JJRC M3-axis gimbal drone. The JJRC M stands out because of its inch remote control with a built-in screen. That means you don't need your phone for FPV flying. It is foldable, brushless, and well built. It comes with an 8K camera and a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring high-quality, stabilized footage. It is a strong competitor to the SX Max. The built-in screen makes flying much easier and quicker to set up. It has GPS, obstacle avoidance, and all the intelligent flight modes like waypoint flight, orbit mode, and follow me. Expect about 22 minutes of flight time. Great for drone pilots who want convenience, no extra phone apps or cables, just turn it on and fly. Pros: built-in screen controller, 8K camera with 3-axis gimbal, GPS, intelligent flight modes, obstacle avoidance. Compared to the SX Max, this drone has a better controller system but a similar camera setup. It is more about convenience versus portability. Number 5. A Pro Max GPS drone. Finally, we have the A Pro Max, a top-tier FPV drone built for professionals. Right away, you'll notice its solid build quality. It feels premium. Equipped with an 8K-esque camera on a 3-axis gimbal, this drone delivers professional-level shots. It is great for cinematic videos, inspections, and high-end content creation. The A really shines with its 8 km range and up to 28 minutes of flight time. You can capture entire landscapes, cityscapes, and events without worrying about losing connection. This is a professional-level drone for filmmakers, real estate agents, or anyone who needs the absolute best performance. Pros: 8K camera with 3-axis gimbal, 8 km long control range, 28-minute flight time. Strong build quality. Compared to every other drone on this list, the A offers the longest range, best camera, and best flight time. It is truly the flagship. So those are the top 5 best FPV drones of 2025. Let us quickly break down who each one is for. Babyhawk best for freestyle FPV and racing. VMAX Mini best for beginners and travelers. SX Max best for creators who want cinematic quality. JJRC M best for convenience and all-in-one flying. A Pro Max best for professionals who need range, flight time and 8K performance. If I had to choose one drone for beginners, I'd recommend the VMAX because it is safe and easy to fly. But if you want the ultimate FPV experience, go for the A Pro Max. It is a powerhouse. What about you guys? Which of these drones do you think deserves the number 1 spot? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. Until next time, fly safe and capture the skies.